guys, my name's Irene, and like you, I've watched a lot of Julie Cuts videos and she's awesome at this bloom stuff, so I thought I'd give it a go. Now this is the first day I've tried it. I've done a few small little tiles, so now I thought I would try a big one. Today is the first time I've ever done any sort of pouring, so this is exciting for me. So let's see how this one works. So this is my pillow paint. It's the same as what Julie uses. It's the British paints, untinted. Oh, a bit more. And I'm only guessing. Let's hope this works. Right, 2 days colours. This is Payne's Grey by Josonia's. So let's do some of that one. I'm getting low. Oh, it's hard to tell what to do on a big one. Let's do, this is Iridescent Violet Blue by Pebeo. I don't know why it's called violet blue. It actually looks quite pink, but I think in the light it changes colours and you get to see the iridescence and it looks more violet and has blue through it. So hopefully that will turn up. What have we got here? We've got Liquitex Cobalt Blue. Now this one's a little bit thicker, so I probably should have maybe thinned it out a bit, but we'll see how it goes. It doesn't want to come out. What? Oh, a bit more. There we go. Let's try a Liquitex Copper. This is a beautiful colour. Nice and shiny. Come on. Do a bit of that. Then we'll do, this is Josonia's Phthalo Green. Excuse my handwriting. And my all-time favourite colour is Iridescent Blue Green by Pebeo. This is a stunning teal blue colour. It's just gorgeous. Look at it. Ugh. Just want the whole thing to be in this colour. And I might just put a little bit of Liquitex Gold on top. Come on. I know you're in there. Oh, come on. It's cold out in my back room. I don't know if that's making it stick up the other end. Oh, and rude noises. And those other noises you can hear are the neighbours. Alright, is that enough paint? I don't know. It's all a guess. And I've got my cell activator, which is 2:1, which is 2 parts of Floetrol, 1 part of, what is it? Of course, the Amsterdam white, the Amsterdam titanium white, which I found really hard to get in Adelaide. I had to buy it online. That might be too much, but we'll see how we go. Like I said, first time, let's go for it. Right, I've got my hairdryer. I've had to butcher it a bit like Julie, and it's got a very smaller size nozzle on it. I've got a cold button, so let's see how we go. Sorry about the noise. Straight that everywhere. Well, that wasn't quite supposed to go like that. But look at it. Ooh, it's selling up. That's exciting. I did butcher that, but I think my hairdryer might be a bit too powerful, or I still haven't worked out how to control it yet. Oh, it's gorgeous. So I've pushed probably too much paint off here already when I've still got all of this to go. I don't want to tilt it, because then this will all stretch. Who knows? Oh, I can see the gold through there. It's too bad it's running off. A little bit's popping up here. Oh, there's a bit of hair in there. Probably my cat's hair. Let's just get that hair out. There we go. Alright. Shall we give it a spin and see how we go? Alright, here we go. Oh, listen to that splat. That's awesome. I got to tell you, this is so much fun. All right, I like it. Now we're getting there. I'm not sure about this, and this is, I don't know if we can run this off and not lose too much of this. Let's have another spin, shall we? Okay, oh, there's some big cells happening in the middle. It looks like there's a lot of white, so maybe, I don't know, I've just got to learn how to control that and control how I spread it, obviously. But I'm pretty happy considering this is the first time I've ever done a big one, and today's my first time ever pouring with paint, so I'm pretty excited about the whole thing, to tell you the truth. Let's try this way. I know Julie gets stuck when she goes with her left hand. I probably will too. Okay, got some of that copper coming through here and through here, which is nice. Might do one more spin. I don't know if we can get, this is starting to stretch out. One more. Very satisfying doing that, watching all the paint fall off. Oh, all the blue's starting to come up through there now. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at those cells. Even though I didn't blow it out right, I'm just excited I've got all of those cells. All right, let's have a lefty. Don't seem to have gotten any of that iridescent violet blue, which is, oh, except for in the middle, I can see a little pink spot. You see that little pink spot right there in the middle? It's sort of, it's coming through out a little bit. Well, I'm pretty happy with that, so I might take my gloves off and then bring you guys down, see if we can see any of the shine that I can see. All right, give me a second, I'll get these gloves off. Oh, I don't have a quick release. Of course it doesn't want to come undone now, does it? Okay, here we go. So, some really nice cells though. Overall, it's my first time doing a big one and my first time pouring it all. Pretty damn proud of myself. And look, there's that little pink spot in the middle. Maybe some more will come up. You can see there's a bit of gold underneath that white. So maybe when it dries, some more might come up. Don't know if you can see any sheen, but there's a little bit of sheen. Oh, I'm pretty happy with that. So I'll show you what I did earlier on today. The first time pouring, I was just playing with tiles. They're down on my ground. Hang on a minute. I'm really happy with these. And that top one at the left, that was my very first ever pour. I'm so impressed. But some of the colours, they're just beautiful. You know what? They're not perfect, but I'm happy. Anyway, that's it for me today. So I hope you enjoyed that. There it is. I don't know if we can see it with that shine on it. No. Oh, some of it's beautiful. Anyway, thanks for persisting with me. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.